Oh, there we go. Well, got something. Dillon's Nature Center. See what else we can do. Pretty place. Oh, there we go. Oh, is that what I think it is? Yeah, it is a crappie. There we go. Not a very big crappie, but a crappie nonetheless. Nice little crappie. Alright, let's see what else we can do. It's starting to cool, they'll start getting more active. Let's get you on hook, bud. Another little guy. Little dinky bass. Oh well. Pretty fun. Another little guy. Hoping I catch something a little bit bigger. Oh well. Still fun. Got another little crappie. It's a white one this time. Cool. Not too bad. Got myself another little crappie. Cool, cool, cool. Got him. I'm putting a nice bend on the rod. He ain't huge, but he's a bass. He's better than what I've been catching. There we go. That ain't too bad. Not too bad at all. Well, let's see what else we can do. Nice little bass on a little water bugger. This park is dry. Really dry. Well, still caught some fish. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Have a great day in tight lines. Please don't forget